Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to convert PDF files to Word docs on Android. Here's how it's done. First, open Google and search for PDF to Word converter. Then open any website from the results. Most of them work the same way. Next, upload your PDF file and wait for it to finish uploading. Once it is ready, tap Convert to Word or Convert to doc. After the conversion is done, just download your file. And that's it. Your PDF is now a fully editable Word document. And that's it. Now you know the easiest way to convert PDF files to Word docs on Android. Quick, simple, and super convenient. With just a few taps, you can edit your PDFs anytime, anywhere. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.